insomnia won't keep me up. When morning comes, I'm almost out of steam. I hold on to all my vices while my head is in a crisis. I hurt my feet and tie my teeth, and I clean my room like twice a year. When I'm breaking down, I'm a sex machine in my dreams. Oh. What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to learn how to play Route 9 by BoyWithUke. This has been requested by a bunch of you guys, so I figured this week we would do that song. So let's go. Before we get to the chords, I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing. The chart has increased and we're all the way up to 200 subscribers, so that's freaking awesome. Let's keep going, so just make sure you keep hitting that subscribe button, turn on those bell notifications, and keep commenting and liking and requesting other songs you guys want. But let's get to the chords. All right, this song is a super easy one. If you're a beginner to ukulele, it's gonna be pretty easy. The only hard part is the strumming pattern, but that's something you'll get used to as you keep practicing. But yeah, the chords are really simple. There's only 3 of them, and he pretty much just plays G and C most of the time, and then he'll just throw in a B minor every now and then, which you can actually swap out for a D or an A minor, but B minor is what he actually plays. So it sounds a little bit more like the song. But the chords go in the order of G, C, G, C, G, C usually, and then B minor, G, C. So I'll play through the whole song and put each chord where they go, because the pattern in this is kind of confusing to say, because it'll be like G 2 times, C 1 time, G 2 times, B minor randomly. So I'll just play the entire song through and I'll put the chords at each part that I play it, so that way you guys know how to play it. But the first chord we're going to learn is the G, which all the chords are gonna be right here like they usually are. And if you don't want to look at that chart, or if you don't know how to read it, just put your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. And this is G. The second chord is a C, which is just your ring finger or your middle finger or your pointer finger, whatever finger you want, on the 4th string, 3rd fret. And the next chord is a bar chord, which is a B minor. So you just bar all these chords on the 2nd fret, and then you put your ring finger on the 1st string, 4th fret. It sounds like this. That's the one that you can swap out with the D or the A minor, which they'll sound a little bit different, but they're all close enough to where the whole gist of the song still goes the same. So for instance, the part where it'll be like this. But when morning comes, I'm almost out of steam. This is where the B minor would be. I hold on to all my vices. Or you can do D. I hold on to all my vices. Or A minor. I hold on to all my vices. They're very similar, they're just D is a little happier, A is a little more sad sounding, and then B minor is like right in the middle. But this is the actual chord. Those other ones are just if you guys would rather play those. So let's get to the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern for this song is the one that we've learned in most of the other songs. It is the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And we go through it 2 times like that, not just one. It's gonna be up here like it always is, but yeah, that's pretty much it the whole song. I don't think he changes it at all, except sometimes he'll stop on G instead of going through it again. But that's just what you'll figure out as you play through along with the song. But yeah, it's just like, well, if we play the beginning, it's I believe you go through G 2 times. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then once you get to the 3rd one, then it's funny that I fall apart when I streamline Route 9 with my car, I scream. Which is literally just G, and then C, and then back to G. So let's just play through the song. It's pretty simple, and I'll put the chords up at each part so that way you guys know when to play them. And then, yeah, you'll be able to play along with this and play along with the actual song. much it. I'll actually put the link in the description of the little chart they have on, what is this called? So on Uke tabs, they have a little chart that shows which chord to play on which word. So I'll actually put that in the description. That's kind of what I was looking at, just to see exactly when to play each chord. But yeah, you guys can follow along to that or follow along to the song, and yeah, it's pretty easy. So I hope this helped. See you guys in the next one.